Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add picture in Davinci Resolve 18. First of all, open the Davinci app on your PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, open a recent project or just create a new one. Now your editing timeline will be displayed and you just need to place the target video on it. After you have the base video, right-click in the Media Pool tab and select Import Media. Now look for the target picture, add it to the media pool, and then click and drag it onto the editing timeline. Once you have it at the desired place, resize it to your preference and your picture is now added to your video. You can also try adding some motion to it. For that, go to the Inspector section at top right-hand corner and add some zoom to it. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.